What if I told you that the single most destructive thing you can do to your backyard garden this spring is drive to a retail big box store and buy plastic bags of commercial compost? You roll up to the garden center, exchange your hard-earned money for glossy packages branded with images of lush vegetables, and assume you're feeding your soil. But you are actually importing a biological desert into your beds. Modern commercial bag compost is fundamentally broken. It is frequently composed of municipal green waste heavily contaminated with persistent lawn herbicides, or raw wood processing byproducts blasted with intense industrial heat to kill pathogens, a process that simultaneously eradicates every single beneficial microbe, mycorrhizal fungus, and living enzyme your plants require to thrive. When you top your garden with this sterile retail medium, your crops look yellow, stagnant, and starved, forcing you to return to the store to purchase their synthetic liquid fertilizers just to keep your garden alive. But across the undisturbed agricultural landscapes of old order Amish communities, you will never see a single plastic bag of commercial soil amendment, nor will you see rows of synthetic chemical fertilizers. Instead, using a traditional low-tech biological system known as the bedded pack fermentation method, Amish homesteads routinely generate a deep, sweet-smelling, pitch-black humus that is so biologically complex and nutrient-dense it makes any commercial bagged product look like sterile dust. It acts as a profound cellular battery for your vegetable roots, costs absolutely $0 to construct, and naturally locks in moisture so effectively that it cuts your seasonal watering requirements in half. The multi-billion-dollar commercial chemical fertilizer industry spent the last 70 years convincing modern homeowners that soil health can only be achieved through laboratory-synthesized chemical formulas and heavy mechanical tilling. They did this entirely on purpose, because a decentralized, self-reliant individual who understands how to brew a permanent, self-generating fertility engine from local organic waste represents a complete loss of recurring corporate profit. You are not doing anything wrong for struggling with compacted, lifeless garden soil that requires a constant influx of retail inputs. The problem is that a centralized industrial food system has systematically separated us from the basic biological logic of the earth, forcing us into a state of total retail dependency while burying the simple, ancient structural methods that guarantee absolute food sovereignty. Most of this decentralized ancestral wisdom is actively being wiped from modern suburban education, replaced by a non-stop stream of corporate chemical advertising. If you want to keep these raw, verified blueprints alive and protect your family's agricultural autonomy, hit that subscribe button and join the Grounded Harvest Network right now before this video gets buried by the corporate algorithm. By subscribing, you are refusing to let centralized retail corporations gatekeep the basic biological tools required for human survival. You are anchoring yourself to a global tribe of sovereign individuals who choose self-sufficiency over retail chemical dependency. Do not let a corporate algorithm dictate what self-reliant skills you are allowed to remember. Secure your connection to our network now and let us dive straight into the deep historical archive that the chemical syndicates tried to make you forget. To understand the profound structural power of this composting method, we must look at the historical division in American agriculture. During the 1940s and 1950s, the chemical industrial complex underwent a massive post-war boom. Factories that had been manufacturing ammonium nitrate for explosives suddenly needed a peacetime market, so they rebranded their chemical compounds as synthetic agricultural fertilizers. Across mainstream America, university extension offices and corporate salesmen swept through rural communities, convincing farmers to abandon their traditional, labor-intensive soil-building practices in favor of quick-fix chemical injections and heavy, gas-powered mechanical rototillers. But the old order Amish communities looked at this chemical revolution and completely jungle-walked right past it. They recognized that relying on a synthetic, factory-produced chemical powder to feed the earth was a biological trap that would eventually burn out the soil's organic matter, destroy the native earthworm populations, and leave the farmer entirely dependent on a centralized industrial supply line for their next harvest. They chose instead to preserve and perfect the old-world European methodology they had brought with them across the Atlantic, the bedded pack management system. This method is rooted in a fundamental understanding of closed-loop ecology. Instead of treating animal manure and carbon bedding as waste products to be immediately scraped away or artificially turned with fossil-fueled machinery, the Amish turned their livestock barns into active biological fermentation chambers. Throughout the long winter months, as draft horses, dairy cattle, or small livestock drop nutrient-rich manure and urine onto the barn floor, the homesteaders continuously layer fresh, high-carbon materials directly on top, materials like straw, autumn leaves, and coarse sawdust. The livestock act as natural, living compaction mechanisms. As they walk across the floor daily, they compress the layers down, squeezing out pockets of excess oxygen and trapping the volatile nitrogen compounds at the absolute base of the pack. This creates a highly specific, slow, anaerobic to aerobic biological pipeline. While the rest of industrial America spent the mid-20th century sterilizing their fields with synthetic anhydrous ammonia and watching their topsoil erode into dust storms, the Amish kept their land entirely resilient, fertile, and independent of the retail grid. They proved through decades of continuous unassisted agricultural output that the highest form of soil fertility is not discovered in a corporate laboratory. It is accumulated over time through the intelligent alignment of carbon, nitrogen, and natural biological compression. Contrast the astronomical cost of a modern commercial chemical fertility program with the $0 cost of a traditional bedded pack system, managed entirely by hand on a sovereign homestead. Think of the traditional Amish bedded pack as a slow-cooking biological furnace, where the raw, explosive energy of animal nitrogen is safely insulated and bound to a dense carbon matrix over months of deliberate winter maturation. Think about the weight of that historical divergence. While the modern world accepted a chemical subscription model that depletes the earth every single year, a quiet community preserved a $0 biological system that builds topsoil exponentially. This is exactly how the matrix operates, by breaking your connection to traditional non-chemical systems so you are forced to pay a perpetual toll to their corporate grid. If this realization hits you hard, take a single second right now to hit that subscribe button. When you join Grounded Harvest, you are directly funding the preservation and dissemination of these non-industrial agricultural blueprints, ensuring they remain free and accessible to the public. The multi-billion-dollar lawn and garden corporations want this channel silenced because a self-reliant gardener represents an absolute loss of retail profit. Hit subscribe now to stand against the manipulation, and let us break down the exact steps to replicate this system in your own yard. You do not need a herd of dairy cattle or a massive timber frame barn to harness the exact biological physics of the Amish bedded pack method. You can perfectly replicate this high-density soil system right in your own backyard or homestead using a downscaled structure known as a static biopack. The entire system relies on a strict, unalterable ratio of 4 parts carbon to 1 part nitrogen, combined with deliberate structural compaction to prevent the premature loss of volatile nutrients. To execute this, you must first construct a simple 3-sided enclosure using untreated scrap lumber or local stones, measuring roughly 4 feet wide by 4 feet deep. Never use plastic bins or chemically treated wood, as these disrupt the natural gas exchange and introduce synthetic toxins into your biology. Step 1 ***. Place a base layer of coarse, small twigs and fallen branches exactly 3 inches deep along the bare earth inside your enclosure to allow minimal, controlled bottom aeration. Step 2 ***. You begin the layering process. For your carbon matrix, gather dry autumn leaves, clean wheat straw, or untreated wood shavings. For your nitrogen source, utilize raw, uncomposted chicken manure from a local coop, fresh green grass clippings, or raw kitchen scraps. Layer exactly 4 inches of your carbon material down, followed immediately by a 1-inch layer of your nitrogen material. Step 3 ***. You must execute the critical compaction step that defines the Amish method. Use a clean flat board or step directly onto the layer with your own boots, using your body weight to firmly stamp the organic matter down, compressing it by roughly half its loose height. Squeezing out the large oxygen pockets forces the pile to transition into a low-temperature, high-stability fermentation phase rather than a flash-burning, high-heat aerobic state. Step 4 ***. Lightly mist the layer with unchlorinated rainwater until it reaches the moisture consistency of a wrung-out sponge. Repeat this exact sequence: 4 inches carbon, 1 inch nitrogen, heavy physical compaction, and light hydration, until your static pack reaches a total compressed height of precisely 4 feet. Step 5 ***. Seal the entire top of the pile with a dense, 6-inch blanket of clean loose straw to act as a thermal and gas-retaining insulation shield. The single biggest mistake modern gardeners make when attempting to compost is turning their piles every single week with a pitchfork. This constant agitation introduces massive shocks of oxygen, which flash burns the carbon, volatilizes the vital nitrogen into the atmosphere as an invisible ammonia gas, and leaves you with a depleted gray pile of ash-like material. The Amish method requires 0 turning. You build it once, compress it firmly, seal the top, and let it sit undisturbed for a minimum of 6 to 9 months. We have officially crossed the midpoint of this breakdown, and the blueprint is clear. True self-reliance cannot be built on a foundation of short-lived, store-bought products. It requires a permanent, conscious commitment to mastering the low-tech biological systems of the earth. If you are ready to walk away from corporate retail dependency and cultivate a truly independent homestead, hit that subscribe button right now and join this collective intelligence. By subscribing to Grounded Harvest, you are ensuring that this practical, non-industrial wisdom is preserved and passed down to the next generation of free thinkers. We are building a global sanctuary of self-sufficient growers who refuse to ask permission from a centralized corporation to build fertile soil. Tap that subscribe button to officially join our network today and let us look at the raw biochemistry that makes this fermented humus completely superior to anything sold in a plastic bag. The absolute superiority of the Amish bedded pack method over modern commercial bagged soil is completely verified by the laws of organic soil chemistry and microbiology. When a commercial manufacturer creates bagged compost, they operate on a high-speed industrial timeline. They place massive windrows of municipal green waste or commercial wood scraps into open air, turning them constantly with heavy diesel machinery to force rapid aerobic decomposition. This causes the pile to reach temperatures exceeding 160 degrees Fahrenheit. While this high heat successfully kills weed seeds, it also acts as a biological nuclear weapon. It volatilizes the valuable nitrogen compounds into gas and completely incinerates the fragile humic and fulvic acid structures, the exact long-chain carbon molecules that hold onto plant nutrients and prevent them from leaching away during heavy rains. Furthermore, to package and ship this material across the country, it must be thoroughly dried and sealed into airtight plastic bags. Sitting on a hot retail pallet for weeks at a time under total anaerobic compaction without gas exchange causes the remaining beneficial biology to completely suffocate and die. When you buy that bag, you're paying money for dead hydrophobic carbon that will actually rob your soil of nitrogen as soon as you mix it into your garden beds. The Amish bedded pack method operates via an entirely different chemical pathway known as stable humification. Because the pile is highly compressed at its core, it undergoes a slow, low-temperature maturation process that rarely exceeds 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows specialized, slow-growing microorganisms, specifically actinomycetes and saprophytic fungi, to colonize the matrix completely. These fungi generate an extensive network of microscopic threads that break down tough, complex plant polymers like lignin and cellulose, transforming them into stable organic compounds. Because the nitrogen is never allowed to escape as ammonia gas due to the heavy carbon compaction layers, it binds directly to these humic structures on a molecular level, creating a slow-release biological nutrient matrix. When you apply this fermented humus to your vegetable roots, it does not provide a sudden, synthetic chemical spike that causes weak, watery plant growth. Instead, it slowly unloads balanced fractions of organic nitrogen, bioavailable phosphorus, and chelated trace minerals continuously throughout the entire growing season on demand. It actively inoculates your native dirt with a thriving, diverse army of beneficial microbes that physically unlock the minerals already trapped within your regional clay or sand. Contrast a $10 plastic bag of dead, sterilized corporate wood waste with a $0 source of living, microbially active biological gold brewed right in your own yard. Think of commercial bagged compost as a burnt-out piece of charcoal that has lost its energetic essence, while the Amish fermented biopack is a live, fully charged biological battery waiting to plug into your garden's root network. If you have stayed with me this far into the chemical breakdown, you belong to our high-retention inner circle. You are not surfing the internet for quick, superficial gardening hacks. You are hunting for the deep, unfiltered scientific realities required to break entirely free from the retail commercial system. You have successfully processed the microscopic data of soil humification, and you have earned the most advanced practical integration steps of this broadcast. Reward your dedication and support our work by hitting that subscribe button right now. When you secure your subscription to Grounded Harvest at this depth of the video, you are signaling to our network that you are ready to transition from a consumer into a true producer. We need disciplined, independent minds like yours anchored to our infrastructure to keep this raw earth science alive. Hit subscribe to lock in your spot within our tribe and let us reveal how to perfectly layer this into your backyard layout. To maximize the immense biological utility of your fermented Amish biopack humus, you must understand how to deploy it within your garden without disrupting the natural patterns of the earth. True self-reliance means ensuring that your soil building, water management, and plant placement all operate as a single, frictionless machine. Instead of manually digging up your yard to apply your finished compost, a destructive practice that exposes beneficial soil microbes to ultraviolet light and ruins the existing underground fungal pathways, you should utilize a highly effective method known as sheet mulching. You simply lay down thick, unprinted cardboard directly over your target garden footprint to naturally suffocate grass and opportunistic weeds. From there, you spread your rich, fermented Amish humus directly over the cardboard layer in a uniform 2-inch blanket. This completely mimics the natural, top-down fertility accumulation of an undisturbed forest floor, drawing native earthworms up to the surface to loosen the ground for you and creating premium topsoil without ever pulling the starter cord on a gas-powered rototiller. Furthermore, because your compressed Amish humus is completely packed with water-absorbing humic compounds, it acts as an exceptional partner for low-impact hydration systems. By pairing this moisture-retaining humus with an ancient subsurface irrigation tool called an olla, which is simply an unglazed, porous clay pot buried up to its neck in the center of your garden bed, you create a hyper-efficient watering grid. When you fill the buried clay pot with water, moisture gently seeps through the clay walls directly into the surrounding soil via capillary action. Because your soil is packed with stable Amish fermented organic matter, it catches and holds that moisture like an invisible subterranean sponge, preventing evaporation completely. This simple biological pairing cuts your water consumption by up to 60%, while keeping your crops perfectly hydrated through intense summer droughts. You are letting natural synergy do the heavy lifting for you. We are approaching the final stand of this broadcast, and the ultimate choice rests entirely with you. You can step away from this screen, return to the commercial loop, and continue to let massive chemical conglomerates dictate the quality of your soil and the security of your family's food supply, or you can draw a definitive line in the sand today. Secure your permanent place in the Grounded Harvest Underground Network by hitting that subscribe button right now before this video concludes. Do not risk losing your connection to these real, unadulterated blueprints of independence. By subscribing in these final moments, you are casting a direct vote for absolute physical autonomy, decentralized food production, and real ecological literacy. You are choosing to walk completely away from their high-priced retail grid from the soil up. We are continuously building an uncensorable library of free medical botany, off-grid physics, and ancestral agriculture. Take definitive action, tap that subscribe button, and secure your position in our sovereign tribe right now. Reclaiming your status as a self-reliant producer starts the very moment you refuse to buy into the synthetic retail industrial illusion. This weekend, instead of driving your vehicle to a commercial garden center to load up on plastic bags of dead, heat-treated wood waste, look closely at the raw organic resources that are already completely free and available within your local community. Walk your land, collect the fallen autumn leaves, gather the clean straw bedding from a local small farmer, collect your kitchen scraps, and build your very first compressed, static biopack using the exact structural physics preserved by the old order Amish. Let the layers compress, keep the pitchfork out of the pile, protect the volatile nitrogen from escaping, and allow the slow, cool magic of fungal humification to restore the living vitality of the earth right in your own backyard. When autumn arrives and you peel back that top insulation blanket of loose straw, you will be holding an exceptionally rich, dark, sweet-smelling humus that can completely reverse years of soil compaction, heal a nutrient-depleted garden bed, and fuel the development of deep, disease-resistant plant roots entirely for free. The centralized chemical syndicate spent generations trying to convince us that human survival is an incredibly complex, high-cost commodity that can only be manufactured in an industrial facility, patented by a financial monopoly, and sold back to us in a disposable package. They wanted us to believe that without their corporate intervention the earth would refuse to yield food, but their narrative is completely coming apart. The microbes are still here, the fundamental laws of soil biochemistry remain completely unalterable, and the ancient, non-patented physics of natural fermentation are completely waiting to be deployed by anyone who has the courage to step off the corporate grid. You hold the absolute power to break the cycle of dependency right now, with your own 2 hands from the ground up. Drop a comment below and tell me if you are ready to completely abandon the commercial bagged soil aisle and build your very first compressed static biopack this season. Tell me what local carbon and nitrogen resources you are salvaging from your area this week to start your journey toward absolute food independence. Welcome to Grounded Harvest. Your agricultural sovereignty begins today.